also being driven by the advent of technology, particularly on information. As a result, we have today another space, namely cyberspace. The capacity of police force, Indonesian police force, of our officers to adapt to the new environment that I've mentioned before. Transnational crimes, we have to adapt with this sort of crimes crossing our borders, can be organized by criminal gang and so on. We have to be prepared with that. So we need to also to engage with our partners around the world.